This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect College Board to Khan Academy. First, understand that linking these accounts personalizes your SAT practice. You'll receive free, tailored recommendations based on your actual test performance. This targeted approach helps you focus on areas needing improvement, making your study time more efficient and effective. It's a powerful tool for boosting your scores. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the College Board website. Log in using your existing account credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on your SAT scores page. On this page, you will see an option clearly labeled Send Scores to Khan Academy. This is your first key step. Next, click the Send Scores button to initiate the connection process. You will then be prompted to grant permission for College Board to share your SAT data with Khan Academy. Carefully review and accept these terms. Finally, you will be redirected to Khan Academy to confirm the successful linking of your accounts. With your accounts linked, you can now access personalized practice questions directly on Khan Academy. These exercises are specifically designed based on your SAT performance, allowing you to focus precisely on areas where you need the most improvement. This targeted approach maximizes your study efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.